we're right. Now that is what the Bearcat was built for, and it was quite famous for that vertical time to climb. This was the last single-engined, single-piston engine fighter designed by Grumman. Specifically designed and manufactured to counteract the Japanese kamikazes, to get off the decks of the carriers quickly and knock them down. Unfortunately, did not see service during the Second World War. VF-19 became operational with the Bearcat and was en route to the Western Pacific aboard the Langley when World War II ended. They only produced about 1,200 of these. They were used by 4 different military air arms, principally the United States Navy, but also by the French, the Vietnamese and the Thais. Incredible manufacture of that aircraft. Even every small stringer has a gusset plate, and that was to take the ultimate design load of 9 Gs. One of the unique design features of the early aircraft was detachable wingtips, so that when you hit that ultimate 9G loading, those wingtips would actually break away. Later they fitted explosive bolts and then discarded that idea completely. The pilots were a lot happier about that idea as well. This is about 20% lighter and has a 30% higher rate of climb, and it's 50 miles an hour faster than the other Grumman product, the Hellcat, which was in major use throughout the war in the Pacific. The US Navy operated between 1946 and 1954 with the French, and ironically used in the close air support role, which is a role that the US Navy said it was unsuitable for in Korea, so they weren't used there. Later, a lot of the French Bearcats were handed over to the South Vietnamese Air Force and operated in the early days with them, and also the Royal Thai Air Force was another major user of the type. No machine guns here. 4 20mm cannon could carry 4 5-inch unguided rockets or 2 1,000-pound bombs. This aircraft, painted in the overall dark blue of VF-20, the Fighter Squadron 20, the US Navy, flown by Lieutenant Commander Whiff Caldwell. These are a very highly desirable warbird all the way around the world. This is the only one operating in Europe, and we're very, very privileged to have this machine here with the fighter collection. 1946, one of the early F8 F1s actually set a time to climb record to 10,000 feet of 94 seconds. That's way earlier than the days of the Reno races such as Rare Bear. So those aircraft highly modified, whereas that first machine setting that record in 1946 was totally unmodified stock aircraft. And took off in 115 feet, so that's from 0 to 10,000 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see above you, the Booker BU-131 Jungmann. Designed as a training aircraft for the Luftwaffe, introduced in 1935, having flown the year before, April. Leap in performance over both the Tiger Moth and the Stomp. As the war became more desperate for the Germans, the Luftwaffe actually employed these David and Goliath effort there. When you can do a slow roll like that, with that perfection, you can tell the pilot really knows what they're doing.